Loves, welcome back to my channel. These are the tools that you'll need to create this tote bag. You'll need a fabric marker. In this case, I'm using chalk. You'll need some pins. You'll need a pair of scissors. Also, make sure you download the pattern so that you can cut all your pattern pieces, which is your interfacing, which has 2 pieces, your straps, which also has 2 pieces, as well as your main fabric, which has 4 pieces. Otherwise, if you have lining, you can cut 2 pieces of main fabric and 2 pieces of lining. And this is all you'll need. To start us off, we're going to start with the body of the tote. As you can see, my fabric is extremely creased. Make sure that your fabric is nice and straightened out. It's nice and flat because you want every part of your main fabric to be fused. And you'll only be fusing 2 pieces of fabric for this tote. To make sure that everything is perfect and that your tote is nice and crisp and clean, you want to cut off the edges that are creating that kind of bulk as shown in the video. You want to make it nice and clean so your sewing space is also nice, and so that once you stitch, it's proper. You want to stitch 1 centimeter on these 2 fabrics, right sides together, the lining fabric as well as the main body fabric, which is the fused fabric. So with right sides together, I'm starting with my inner fabric or my lining, which is in this case for me the same as my fabric, and I'm just going ahead and stitching through. You can use 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter. It's up to you, and it's up to what sort of machine you are using. And I'm also going in to do the same thing for the main body of the tote. Right after that, you're going to just take your tote corners and just put them together as shown in the video, and then you're going to just measure 6 centimeters up from the bottom corner, and you're going to stitch right across. And by right across, that is what I mean right there. You're going to stitch right across right there to give it a bit of body balance as well as just structure of the tote bag. We want to make this tote bag very durable, and we also want to make it be able to be used for things like shopping, putting your books, etc., etc. To complete the body of the tote bag, you want to press in 1 centimeter on the lining as well as the body of the tote. Also remember that you need to do the corner stitching on the inner lining as well, and this 1 centimeter fold in you need to do on both the components. On this one here, you're just going to measure halfway of the tote bag and measure 5 centimeters on each side to be able to attach the straps. And in order for us to prepare the straps, which is what we are doing right now, we are just going to fold them halfway through, and then we are going to press. Once we're done with that, we're going to open it again, and then you're going to fold half of the halves as shown in the video, and you're going to press it again. Once you're done with that, you're just going to fold it back in, and at the end of it, this is how your straps should look. So in order to complete the bag, as I've said, you're going to measure halfway of the front and the back side of the bag, and you're going to measure about 5 centimeters from the halfway mark on each side, and that's where you're going to attach the straps. Once you've attached your straps, you're going to now put your lining inside. And remember that we folded 1 centimeter inside towards the inside for the lining and for the bag. Apologies. And now you're just going to put them together and you're going to stitch all the way around. you're just basically going to do like a close to the edge stitch, just to finish it off. And mine was about 7 millimeters, yours can be about 5 millimeters. At the end of the day, this is how your tote should look. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments and anything that you have to say about this beautiful tote. See you on the next video.